Oh, right, he did force hold buttons.
Yeah, he did. I like this music though. It's really nice music. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. I had two. I had two. Oh.
Just hide. Just hide. He already saw me inside.
Holy fuck! Okay, nice. Thank you.
Oh shit. Okay, you just gonna. That's another one, bro. I'm at the button, but I don't even gonna press it because it's gonna alert them. Okay, they look far.
Don't hear sounds though.
Oh, what?
No, they only have sight.
Oh, that's cool. What's this unactivated one? What's this unactivated? Can I hit it?
Yup. They got open.
Yeah, it was.
Rocket forced it before.
Yeah.
AFK'd.
Food dinning. That's a good one. Oh, let me put it back to first person. Sorry, guys. Ooh, oodles with the Coca-Cola. What the fuck? What? I got that recorded. What the fuck was that?
So I got stuck with it.
Dude, I don't know if I want to move. If I'm gonna get up the stairs and I'm gonna get killed. Okay, they're gone. Finally could get down because I was fucking stuck there. And let me turn off this night vision. I'll mix it with a Sprite. What do you mean? Oh, that sucks. Sprite's good. Sprite's nice. Fuck. Fuck. Shit. Die. Oh my god. Step, bro. I'm stuck. Step. Oh fuck. I'm dead. Got that recorded though. Holy shit. Imagine somebody's gonna clip that. Oh my. You know, speaking of food, I need to fucking eat. I haven't ate breakfast yet because I'm so tired in my nice bed. Oh man. Frozen pizzas like you buy them in a store. Okay, so did you make those baby sounds? Cause like, wait, they didn't. I heard it made like a zombie noise, a dog, and something else. I have no idea what some of these other sounds they have.